Hi, my name is Maria Oliveira. I actually just finished the Google Project Management course, and I thought it'd be helpful for me to share some reasons as to why you should take it, why you shouldn't, so that you can better know whether or not this is a good course for you. So in my opinion, who is this course good for? This course is good for people who are brand new to project management or people who have been project managing for a long time but don't know the technical terminology for project management things. Like me, you may have been managing projects for a really long time, but you might have not known the different types of project management strategies or types like agile or waterfall. So if you want to know the technical terms for things that you probably already do on a daily basis, this is a good beginner's course for you. Okay, the second thing to consider is this is a Google certified course. So basically you have the Google backing name for it. And Google claims that in Google's eyes, this course will be as good as a 4-year degree. And they also claim that there are other companies that they've spoken about or spoken to who will accept this certificate as a 4-year degree. But this is all pretty new. This course really just launched. So I think that we're kind of waiting to see how this is going to roll out. Third thing to consider, if you're super new to project management, this course might be good for you as a stepping stone to the CAPM or the PMP, which are the PMP specifically is like the gold standard project management certification. And this Google course actually gives you the prerequisite educational hours. So you need, I think, 35 prerequisite educational hours for this course, and taking this course will satisfy that requirement. So the PMP test, if you're super new, is the project management professional certification. And to get that test, you need at least 5 years of project management experience. And while that might be not experience that you have since you're just starting out and taking this Google course, they do have a prerequisite to that test called the CAPM. So to take that course, it would be good to get that certification right after this Google course. So yeah, overall, my opinion is that this is a great beginner's course, and it will get you on the path and thinking about project management as a potential career. I'm not sure that people have gotten jobs off of the certificate alone. I definitely haven't. My company actually paid for me to do this course. So if your company will pay for some type of personal development educational funds, definitely take advantage of it for this course. This course is only $39 a month, so it's pretty affordable, and it's planned out so it takes you 6 months to complete it. I actually completed it in 3, so you can definitely expedite that process. But it's really, really good education if you're a beginner, and it will get you on the right path to a project management career if that's what you're interested in. So yeah, good luck. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more. Thanks.